In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to AutoScout24 in a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want to use ChatGPT alongside AutoScout24 more efficiently and keep your workflow all in one place. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue. This is important because the connection will be tied to the account you're using right now. After that, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile. From there, find and click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Apps section and click on it. This is where ChatGPT lets you manage connected applications and tools. Once you're in the Apps area, click on Add More. That will open the app directory where you can search for different apps that work with ChatGPT. Now in the search bar, type in AutoScout24. Give it a second to load the results and then click on AutoScout24 when it appears. After that, you'll see the app page and the next step is to click Connect. ChatGPT may ask you to confirm the connection, so go ahead and click Connect again if prompted. Once the connection is approved, you're almost done. Now click on New Chat so you can start using the app in a fresh conversation. In the chat window, click on the plus icon, then click on More to bring up additional tools or app options. From there, select AutoScout24 again to make sure it's available in your chat workflow. And that's it. You've now connected ChatGPT to AutoScout24 and set it up so you can use it more smoothly inside your ChatGPT environment. This can save time and make it easier to manage your workflow without jumping between tools. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.